So here's how to pay with Apple Pay. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first I'm going to click on the settings, and here in the settings I'm going to click on the Face ID and passcodes, and after entering my passcode it will take me to this interface, and here I'm going to click on the wallet and Apple Pay, and I have to toggle it on. To make secure your payments, you have to enable this option. Once you have enabled this option, now go back and click on the wallet and Apple Pay option. Here, as you can see, I already have added my payment details. To add a new card, you have to click on the add card option at the bottom of this. Now here at this interface, you can add your card details manually, or you can scan your card. I'm gonna click on the enter card details manually option, and here I'm gonna enter all the details of the card. After entering all the details, now my Apple Pay has been set. Now I can use this to make any purchases. So this is how to pay with Apple Pay.